Coming to the another group, it is the carbon group of homeopathic group study. If you haven't watched the other groups, do watch in our Bits for Homeo channel and do subscribe. Every group study is simplified with a simple mnemonics so everyone can understand and so everyone can be remembered, so everyone can be learn the groups. So coming to the carbon group, the constitution is carbonitrogenate constitution. And the elements from mainly loss of vital fluids, emotional stress, mental and physical stress, overwork, exertion, sprains, and some important remedies are carbovage, carboanomalies, graphitis, and petroleum and creosotum. And all carbon groups are soric in nature and all carbon groups are chilly. Now just remember the mentals with a simple mnemonic is flash, FLASH, FLASH. And don't forget to subscribe the Bits per Homeo channel because it's your channel, the student way of learning. F means fixed ideas. They are sudden change in mind. Has either fixed mind, either they has fixed mind, fixed ideas, or they continuously change. And L for the lack of confidence. And L for the lack of confidence. And A for the aristocratic. It is the most important one in the carbon group. Aristocratic. They believe in the quality of life, excellence of life, worth and honorable. And yes, for the shyness, spiritual, find the spiritual aspects in the life. They always, the carbon groups always try to find a father figure. Mostly carbon groups are father figured. And S for the self respect and dignity. And another S for the sluggishness. And mental activities, causes, slow to think, stupid, and slow grasping. And coming to the another H for the hard working. All carbon groups are hard working in nature. They are hard workers, they have a social stand in the society. And coming to the carbon group, physical symptoms. Carbon group physical symptoms. It is can be remembered with a simple mnemonic in easily. Just remember the one of the important remedy of the carbon group is carbovage. With carbovage mnemonic only we can remember the all the physical symptoms of the carbon group. Carbo wedge. C for the capillary circulation and engorgement. Capillary circulation engorgement. It means enlargement of veins. Dilatation due to stasis of blood viscosity due to increased blood varicosity. Due to increased blood varicosity. And A for the Abscess. Abscess are indurated and sluggishness. And R for the rapid pulse. And B for the burning all over the body, especially palms and soles. And O for the offensiveness. And putrid discharges. Stools, menses, all are offensive in nature. And V for the venous congestion. And the venous bleeding. And the venous bleeding is non-coagulable. And E for eczematous eruption. And G for the glandular affections. Swelling and induration and sore feeling. If you like this group mnemonic, please do subscribe Bits for Homeo. Thank you for watching, and also watch the other group studies in the Bits for Homeo.